you had done this overhand weave, and you had done, but you were sometimes slipping into the 2-beat weave, and then you had also done this underhand weave, but you were sometimes slipping into the 2-beat weave with that one. I said, what would be a good next step for you would be learning the pinwheels in same direction, so that you could connect, say, this overhand weave to this pinwheel, to this underhand weave, to this pinwheel, to this overhand weave, and then going the other way, this underhand weave to this pinwheel. So if you look at this, this is counterclockwise as you see it, correct? Okay, great. Yes, so you're seeing counterclockwise here, I'm doing counterclockwise. And then remember yesterday I was saying these two things are different, where you go this way through it, and this is counterclockwise, and I have overhand weave on this side and underhand weave on this side. That is different from when I do overhand weave on this side, and then it's clockwise pinwheel here, right? This is clockwise, yes? Okay, clockwise pinwheel here, and then underhand weave here. So it's two different things, but then you can connect them all together and go in a 360-degree circle where you're transitioning from weave to pinwheel to weave to pinwheel. So specifically, underhand weave, right turn to clockwise, overhand weave, and then relative to me, this is counterclockwise, even though this looks like it's the same direction to you as this one does. They're both gonna look clockwise to you, but I'm actually facing it here, so it's counterclockwise to me. And then I turn again right, and I have an underhand weave. Or you could do the same turns to the left, where you go left turn from underhand to counterclockwise to overhand to clockwise to underhand.